workshop warm and bright. Fire dances in the light, hands steady with years of skill, shaping glass to match their will. Each slow breath becomes a guide, turning molten waves with pride. In the glow the forms arise, fragile art that never lies.
With every breath they slowly weave, beauty only care can achieve. Fire and focus working through, crafting shapes both strong and true. In the heat they learn to see how patience forms identity. Every curve and every line, born from breath that feels divine. Glass begins as something raw, held within the maker's awe, cooling slowly into form, grace emerging from the storm. What was once without a name finds its purpose in the flame. Every moment soft or bold, shaped by a breath the artist hold. With every breath they slowly read, beauty only care can achieve. Fire and focus working through, crafting shapes both strong and true. In the heat they learn to see how patience forms identity. Every curve and every line, born from breath that feels divine.